Ways to make money online using ChatGPT. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can make money online using ChatGPT. If you're interested in making money using ChatGPT, there are a few ways you can do so. If you're interested, follow along. Offer ChatGPT as a service. Businesses or individuals who need a chatbot or virtual assistant. You can charge a fee for setting up and customizing the chatbot or for ongoing maintenance and support. Use ChatGPT for content creation. You can use ChatGPT to generate content for your blog or social media channels. For example, you can use ChatGPT to create blog posts, social media updates, or email newsletters. You can then monetize your content through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored posts. Conduct market research. You can use ChatGPT to conduct market research and gather customer feedback. You can charge businesses for this service and use the insights you gain to improve their products or services. Sell ChatGPT related products. You can create and sell products related to ChatGPT, such as courses, tutorials, or ebooks. You can market these products to businesses or individuals who want to learn how to use ChatGPT to improve their businesses or personal lives. Use ChatGPT for customer support. You can use ChatGPT to provide customer support for your business. This can help you save time and money on support staff and provide a better customer experience. You can charge a fee for this service or include it as part of a larger package of services. Overall, there are many ways to make money online using ChatGPT. The key is to find a niche or market where ChatGPT can provide value and then create a business model that monetizes that value. The key to success is to find a niche or market that aligns with your skills and interests, and then create a solid business plan that can help you achieve your goals. Remember, making money online requires hard work, dedication, and persistence, but with the right approach and mindset, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. Good luck.